Welcome to today's modular classroom. Last video we saw the various methods of inserting the hyperlinks in Google Sheets, through which we looked into the keyboard shortcut method. The next method today we are going to see is using the insert menu. So you can insert hyperlinks using the insert menu. Suppose you have a data set where you want to add hyperlinks to the home pages of these companies. So these are the steps for how you can create the hyperlink in Google Sheets. First, you can select the cell in which you want to insert the hyperlink. Then second, you can go to the insert tab. Third, you can click on the link option, and you can let's look into the demo. You can go to the sheets. You can go to the insert menu. You can click on link, because I am clicking on the link, so it is displaying as the link. So I am clicking on the fresh cell and asking to insert link. So here I can give the Google address. It will be asking to apply. Once I am pasting the link, it will be asking whether you want to replace the URL with the site. I can give on yes. This is the second method of inserting the hyperlinks in the Google Sheets. Once if I click on the link, it will redirect to the Google website. This is the second method. The third method is you can go to the link hyperlink button, which is nothing but insert a hyperlink using the hyperlink button. So you can find this button on the quick access toolbar. Here's how you can insert a link in Google Sheets with the hyperlink button. You can select the text, click on the hyperlink button. In the hyperlink window, you can type or paste the link in the link box. Then you can click apply or enter. This is a shortcut to the hyperlink menu in the insert button. So this is the hyperlink button. Once if you click, that link will be opening, and you can click on the link to which you can paste, and what is the text which you wish to appear, which I am giving as Google. And once I click on apply, it just opens. So once if I click on that particular link, it will be taking me to the Google website. These are the next two methods, and the remaining is using a formula which we can look into the upcoming video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.